Okay, so I just got here. So she's in there. I'm going to go ahead and surprise her with this. Hi! I got you this so you can do this for your channel.
Oh, this is so cute!
Callie is so cute. I just love her. I really hope that she keeps going on her YouTube channel. Anyway, Callie, if you're watching, let me know when you post your video, okay? I want to see it. All right, you guys, on to the next thing. Okay, so I just dropped that off over with Callie. I went and picked up a couple of snacks for our trip tomorrow, but I'm really excited. I'm on my way to go pick up our cookie and drop her off over at a friend's house. He's going to be watching her while we're on vacation. So she is in great hands. She's going to be so incredibly spoiled. So my daughter right now is giving her a bath, and I just need to pick up her bed and her things, and then we'll be dropping her off. And we will be leaving super early in the morning for our trip to Vancouver. So let's go home and pick up the dog. What happened to you? Did you get your bath? Did you get a bath? Let me see your curls. Oh, you're so pretty. Look at you, so pretty. How was your bath? Did you have a good bath? Let me see. Are you cold? Oh, are you shaking? Let's dry you up, okay? Yeah? Okay, so Cookie is usually very good about getting her hair dried. So let's go ahead and get this done so I can go ahead and drop her off. Cookie, come here. Cookie, is this your bed? Are you all packed? Come here. Is this your bed? Is that your bed? Ooh, are you gonna pack your bed? Let me see your face. All right. Are you ready to go? You want to go? Where's your harness? Where's your leash? Where's your collar? I just dropped Cookie off, so I am on my way home, and we're going to pack, and I will see you guys in the morning. Okay, so it is super early in the morning. We are showered and ready to go, so we are starting our vacation. We're really excited. Anyway, it's going to be a long drive. We've got about 9 hours, so just drive along with us. Okay, so we are almost 3 hours into our trip, so we stopped for gas and a little pit stop, and then we'll get back on the road. Okay, so a friend of mine is a trucker, and he's the one that gave me the route to make sure that we got to where we needed to go. And he said, I'm driving today, so make sure you watch for me. And there he is. You'll see the flashing lights, and that was so cool. Okay, so we're coming up to a place called Merrill, and we are actually going to stop for lunch. Okay, so I've eaten here one time before, and this little hamburger place is amazing. So if you ever happen to be in Merrill, Oregon, and you see this place called Polar Bear, it's just a tiny little place, but the hamburgers are amazing. The french fries are delicious. Everything is super fresh, and they are just the sweetest, kindest people. You will love it. Okay, see this glass right here? It was full of iced tea, and seconds after I took this picture, I knocked the glass over and spilled it all over my pants. So I ended up having to change in the car and find a pair of shorts. It was so cold, but we were so frantic trying to get everything cleaned up, there was no time to record. We finally made it to Vancouver. We're a little wiped out. We made a lot of little stops, but it was good. It was good. It was very, very beautiful driving all the way up here. So we are going to get checked in, relaxed, probably jump in the pool, and we'll see you tomorrow. This is the view from our hotel room, and it is absolutely stunning. We are so happy to be here. So it got really late on us after the pool, so we ended up finding a small place called Javier's Tacos that was open pretty late, so we ate dinner there, and we had enchiladas, chile rellenos, and a burrito, and the food was really good. Okay, so we are really wiped out, and we are going to go ahead and make another trip up to Oak Harbor. So we're going to spend some time here in Vancouver. I'm going to go ahead and record. There's a lot of family time, so I may not show you a lot of the actual family, but definitely a lot of the gorgeous views that we got to see. All right, I'll see you in the next video. And also make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that when I post another video, you will be notified. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one.